Hi guys, let's have a look at the Welding Year 2 exam, which will be on the 12th of June 2025. You all received the learning papers. Please learn the following content, starting with number 1, safety rules. We learn about safety in the workshop, unsafe acts and unsafe conditions, and don't forget the definition of what is an accident. Going on to the second one, study all tools, hand tools and welding equipment. Make sure you go through all the different types of tools, the use and the care thereof. On the welding equipment, study the welding equipment. That means all the equipment that is necessary to use when you're going to weld. Then we go on to number 3, the 3-pin plug, which is very important. Remember the different color wires and which color must be connected to the live, the neutral, or the earth contact point. Going on to number 4, study the different welding joints. There's an example of them. Looking at number 1, the butt joint. Number 2, corner joint. Number 3, the edge joint. Number 4, the lap joint. And last, number 5, the T-joint. I wish you all well for the exam, and I hope you do well.